So welcome to Motivate Community Show. This is a place to meet thought leaders and spectacular speakers in your community. And today we are in Shanghai, Motivate Community, together with Evija. My name is Ivana, and so I will be hosting this event to introduce a little bit more events in Motivate Community that you are going to see today, every Tuesday. And today we have Evija here. So I will say a little bit more about Evija, and then she will also a little bit introduce herself. So Evija is a co-founder of Agile Minds, company dedicated to advance agile proficiency for individuals and spring up business outcomes in organizations. She's certified Agile Coach and has been using Agile throughout her career, encouraging Agile values and principles in her teams and partners. She believes in Agile because it enables to adapt and steer in a direction which reduces bureaucracy, hierarchy, and empowers people. Wow, this sounds very strong. So what inspired you, Evija, to become Agile Coach? Can you say a little bit more?
Sure. Well, I think now it's spreading everywhere, right? Agile. And I believe it's a cultural change. And this shift from command and control management practices, more collaborative, more team-centric environment.
Mm-hmm.
And I feel like in Agile is just making the way to do the right things.
Mm.
Maybe it sounds weird, but what I mean is, so in Agile, you value more individuals. You value more customer collaboration. You value more working product over piles of papers, right? And it feels like it just focuses on the right things, eliminating things which are not necessary. And it's very easy to relate. So in Agile, also people, when they work, they feel more motivated, they feel more respected, they feel more valuable, right? And Agile coaches and Scrum Masters, they are people who, they are advocates of this change. They are evangelists of this change. And I just wanted to be one of them. I think it's a great transformation in companies nowadays, and I wanted to be part of it. That's the reason.
Wow, sounds very empowering, very, shifting, like how we look at our jobs, because I feel like many people do not feel, they feel overstressed or just looking at the job as like from financial point, not somewhere where they could feel good and really valued, looking forward to going at your job, right? So this is, I think, big shift that you are talking about. So today you are going to have a workshop where you are going to talk more about Agile. So the title of the workshop is Agile Awareness. I like this. So what would be your, let's say people are thinking, should I come, should I not come? Why do you think they should come today on your workshop?
So as I mentioned before, that it's spreading everywhere, right? Companies see a strategic opportunity. They see benefits of Agile. They see competitive advantage. And people, it's a more efficient way how to work. So in this workshop, people would be able to gain understanding of the principles of Agile and the practical implementation through Scrum. So they can apply it, they can go return home, they can apply it for their organizations, or if not in the organization, they can also apply it in a professional work or professional life.
Right. Yeah, I think this is what you're saying very relevant today. And many people are already in Scrum, but maybe, they're looking, as you say, like to to guide and how to implement it the best way. And I think, as you are saying, this is very relevant, and they can learn then how to implement this and use it in a better way. If they're not using it, then maybe be inspired to use it, right? So thank you for sharing this. I need to say I am very close to this subject and happy to have you as Agile Coach. And is there something like a closing thought you would like people to say to people at the end of this this short interview?
I'll say a quote, okay?
Yes.
It's a beautiful quote, and I wish I would write it myself, but I didn't, unfortunately.
Right.
It's written by Albert Einstein, and he says, not everything what counts can be counted, and not everything what can be counted counts. And again, to the same topic in Agile, there are many things which it approaches, which you can't measure, but they're necessary to make your organization more splendid.
Wow, that's so deep.
I have sweet mouth.
Wow. I really like this quote. I didn't hear it for now, but wow, it feels like exactly, like these invisible things making change. Exactly. And then, we being part of that big shift, that is happening in our workplace, in our lives. So thank you, Evija. It was really a pleasure to speak with you today. So this was our first episode in our show. Hope you enjoy it, and bye for now. Bye.
Bye.